Hey, financial advisors. Today, I want to tell you about a really cool tool that I use all the time, and our whole team uses it. It's called Loom, and I think you'll find it really helpful. So, what it is a video messaging system. So, you can do a quick video where you're down here in the corner talking and you're showing somebody your screen. And so, it can be really helpful for advisors to show clients how to log into their account or explain a chart or a graph that you had sent to them or answer a question, just doing a quick presentation. Sometimes I use it just to, answer questions that my team has by speaking instead of typing an email. It could not be easier to use. What you do is you install it in your browser. And so if you use Chrome, it just appears right up here and you push the button and it's so easy to just start a new recording. And then what's really cool is once you do your recording, it saves it in your videos here. And so here's all my videos I've sent recently. You can see I'm going through some Google Analytics information here. You can see I'm talking about an email here. And so it's just so easy to show people how to do something, maybe on social media or maybe, a technology that they're having problems with, or to just do a more personal interaction with your clients and say, hey, thanks for asking a question. I want to show you my answer and walk them through that way. And then when you're done recording, it automatically copies the link to the video to your clipboard. So you just plop that into an email. And when you send the email of the video, it shows a little preview of the video. They can click to watch it. And then you get an email notification as soon as they've seen it. And that way you can follow up and say, hey, I saw that you watched the video. Do you have any questions, etc. So I really think it's a cool option to try out. Check it out. Make sure you don't go over any, confidential information or client data within these videos because you'd want that to go through compliance. But for sharing content with your team or just communicating in a casual way, I think it's a really cool tool that you'll enjoy using. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.